So now we have the basic understanding of Power BI and different data connectors, and we also have the understanding of a Power BI interface. Let's create a simple project. Let's do the hands-on. So I'll not teach you one by one how to create this, that, how to create a graph and all. It's better to do a hands-on with a small data set. So here I have a small data set of New York, and it's in a CSV file. So first thing what we do, we'll click on the get data, and here we'll select the text /CSV, and here I'll just import this NY property sales.csv file here. So I'll just import, and this data will be imported here. So now we have the NY underscore property. So it should be property. Okay, let me correct it. Okay, first let me cancel this. Now let me property. Okay, so let me go here. Now I'll go again to the get data text /CSV, and here I'll select this. So now we have the New York underscore NY means New York underscore property underscore sales.csv. So this is New York property data sales small file. Here we have the ID, area, neighborhood, building, class category, address, zip code, land square feet. This data is missing. Gross square feet is not there. Year built, in which year it, and sale date and sale price. So these are the data columns we have in our data set. But when you look here, we have sale price here, but sale price is coming with a dollar attached at the end. So when you directly load this data set, what will happen? This will be considered as a text field, right? This will be considered as a text field because dollar is attached to the sale price. So we need to transform this data first so that it will be considered as the number or the price. Okay, so for that, before loading, you can directly go and load, or you can click on transform. So you can do both the things. Okay, but I'll suggest before loading you just transform the data. So just click on transform data. After loading also you can transform the data. Okay, that's not a problem. So here we need sales price. Sales price is showing as a text field here, and here every entry is having a dollar attached to it. That's why it is considered as a string. Okay, so to do that, what we need to do, what I'll do, I'll select this column. I'll go to the transform here, home, and then transform there. Then I'll select the replace value. So click on replace value. You'll see the two options, replace values and replace errors. So we'll see the replace errors later. Right now I'm going to use the replace values. So just click on that, and here what I want to do, I want to replace the dollar with the blank. Okay, so whatever you want to replace, put that. So it will find the dollar sign in the column values and it will replace with the blank. Okay, so just click on OK and click on OK, and see here all the dollars values have been replaced. Now I'll change the data type to whole number. Okay, I'll just click on whole number. So now it has been changed. Okay, now I'll click on close and apply. So just click on close and apply. Okay, so now it will load the data. Okay, so now here after loading the data, you can see here on the right corner our NY underscore property underscore sales is coming here, and see here sale price is coming as a number. Okay, so now since our data has been loaded in our Power BI, what thing we can do, you can see here report view, data view and the model view. These are the three views available in the Power BI. So report view is not visible anything because here we'll build our visuals based on our data. The second one is data view. If you want to see your data, you can click on the data view and you can see your table here. So see here, price, everything, all the columns and rows have been imported here. And then if you want to create any model, if you have one or two tables, you can create the model and you can see the model view here. So model view, data view, and this is the report view. And on the right corner here you can see two options, actually three options: filters, that we'll see later, to apply filters, and visualizations. There are the different kind of visualizations available, like bar chart, column chart, bar chart, clustered column chart, bar chart, pie chart, donut chart, all kind of charts are there, map chart, everything is available here. And then we have the data option here. So in the data option you can see your table, whatever data table you have imported, that will be showing here along with the columns name. So address, area, building, class, gross square, ID, land square, sale price, year built, and zip code. So everything has been given here. So to start creating a visualization, I'll simply drag this sales price here, and now you can see here simple bar chart has been created. This is a clustered bar chart has been created here. So now this is showing the sum of all sales. Now if I want to put some more thing, if I want to put sales date here, I can drag and drop here sales date, and now it will show us the based on the date, sales date on the x-axis and y-axis sales date, sum of the sales price. Okay, from here you can select the what you want to show, sum of sales price, or you want to show the average sale, sum of average of sales, that you can see here. You can number of count for the sales, you can. So these are the things you can do from here. Okay, so for now I'll keep on sum of the sales. So this is standard clustered column chart has been created. Now if you want to change it to bar chart, you can do like this. Okay, so whatever you want to create, you can do like this. Okay, if you want to create some more, you can simply click the sales date here, and now it is showing the date. And if you want to visualize the, suppose you want to visualize the sales price here, you can drag here. Now sale date and sale price again we can see, and if you want to create a line chart, you can create a line chart based on that. Okay, if you want to add area, you can put area here, and it will show you the date based on the sale date, and it will segregate, it will divide based on the area date with the area with the this colored line. Okay, next thing you one more thing you can do, you can create a map chart as well. To create map chart, I'll show you. You need to go to the options and settings, click on options, you need to go to the security, and here this option map and field map visuals you have to check. Okay, so this should be checked so that we can use the map chart. So use the map chart, we can simply if you want to zip code, and if I want to make a map, I will click on the map and see here. Now the map has been created here. Let me just minimize this, drag this here, and what I want to do, I want to make it little big. Okay, Now if you want to put area, you can put area into this. So now, and if you want to put the so now you can see here our map chart is ready. You can just see here, and based on location it will be showing the zip code and the all other details. Okay, suppose on the tooltip you want to show the, you can see here, now it is showing the sum of sales price based on that zip code. So all these things we can do here. So this is to create a simple visualizations using Power BI. See, this is the simple pie chart. So these are the things you can do here. If you can select any date here and entire thing will be changed. You can select a zip code and it will be changed. Okay, so this is the importance of Power BI. It will be very interactive. Not only this will change, but all other charts will change based on this. Okay. So I hope you got the understanding. So in the next lecture we'll try to do more of creating more reports based on our data.